Samjang, and scoop. Today, Samjang drop and see. As soon as the Goljakhan Samjang touches the hot gukja, it's no pojim and chak butter, it starts boiling in jajari. Outside is burning sea cucumber K, and inside moisture is vugul vugul yodongchim. It's like dakji, burning bubun is we row sunrise and make the nambi. After moisture mo du jung ball, the delicious samjang pie is done. Corn syrup and scoop. Today, corn syrup drop and see. White and Malgen goosewol make many bangwools of various sizes. It's Yori Jori running around and like Pum Sun, it's Bupu Rio Orugo. Soon, it's going to jog a gym and start to change color. Wow, it's like making the dalgona. Corn syrup become mocha bang. It was completely burning black. It looks like the moisture is Modu Jongball, and only Dakdakan ash is left. Butter and scoop. Today, butter drop and see. The gochi butter quickly becomes akshay and it's boiling ziral balgang. You can see small bangwools is flying sabang wuro. Quickly, the no-ran color turns jinhan brown, and it's going to be surround fire. As the fire is gosajigo, the butter turned black. Gayan, will it leave the black ash? Maybe because of the oil sungbun, everything is sarazim. Cheese slices and scoop. Today, cheese slices drop and see. Chuck boadu, it looks doesn't have suboon. I'm very gungamham about how they will ban wong. By the heat of the hot gukja, cheese jubian is melting start. Black taduri of the cheese is jum jum dung dang, and it's melting maling maling, so good for zikmuk. Like gigancha, inside heat is pik pik balsan. Eventually, it burned to even the nebu, and baduk dal is complete. Ice cream and scoop. Today, ice cream drop and see. We called Jurjobar I try to buy bongda. It's bingle bingle turning on the hot gukja. It pong pong, exploded and made a nanjang pan around. These pak bao continue, and they become bubble poom sun. The go poom is tok tok and the suboon is jung bao. The color as well jinne zim start. Sugar sunboon is burning black and eventually becomes a white ash.